Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Katnat Agriculture and Farmer Welfare ka Sorkar Jilla Lingba ka Knowledge Management Cell kalayo ban Pynlong ya ka Tamasa ka Nyngkong ka Meghalaya Spices Festival kabalapli bat sedang menha ka arpun nyaw terik u benai rempang arhaja apun rio Hajiu World Drive Bandra Kurla Complex Mumbai kabalalong kerensan ka Nyngkong kabalalong kerensan ka Kongsan ka Pyn ya ka jingyar jong ka organic spice economy jong ka Jilla kani ka Tamasa ka longkum shibenta ban penklan ka jingya yo hakari bacha barri jong ki premium organic spice na ka Jilla Meghalaya ka jing Pynlong ya kani ka Tamasa ha Mumbai ka bagi juong ru kum ka commercial capital jong ka India ka penpau ka jing thumu jong ka Sarkar Meghalaya ban kenthop ki spice ha ki premium domestic but international market dak ba pentikanaru ba ka jing roi ka wanra jing mentoy shikinong rep kumta ka ni ka Tamasa ka longkum karensan market ling niche ban peniso obet ye kinong rep bat ki spice entrepreneur ne kinong sengkam sengjam bat kinong shalan marbam shabari ha ka perthei haba ai jingkran ha ka te ka sngis dang u Dr. Shakil P. Ahmed YS u Chief Secretary ka Sarkar Meghalaya ula banjur ka jinglong jingman bat ka jingkhu jong ka rep karyang ha ka Jilla ulong to wan ya kendu ye kinong sengkam sengjam bat kinong rep jongi Pinsau thu ya ka jing shisha bat ka jing bha ulaban rap ru baki nong rap jong ka Jilla ki burom ya ka Mariang bat ki kwa ban ya da ya ka wa Pynlong ya ki wa kishnong bakin khot kin suba na kalyang u Dr. Vijay Kumar u IS Commissioner and Secretary ka Agriculture and Farmer Welfare Department ulakdo ba ushin rai ne utter merek jong ka Jilla Meghalaya kalapoi lupa shagiyo hapo kari bat shado shari America Middle East bat Europe kat bayus ing kalasdang shalan sha Singapore how news nem uloang baka Jilla ka wat ikinong thiet ki banget ha ka sustainable agriculture bat ka ba idor ka ba hok shaki nong rep ulapan tip ru baka Jilla kan sa pleno ya ka spice processing unit ka ba hetam haki banai banwan
cultural. People are waiting there. We'll stop at the fabric store. I don't know if you saw our silk. We have this Eri silk. This is a Hima silk.
First time, so you should this is her first. Maybe a lot of people catch you here.